up? It's Joy Daily. We watching RealTalk NY. We got Fat Joe, chilling in the car show.
Hey, this is Coco. You're hanging with Tashi, Joy, and we're at RealTalk NY.
That's right. Yes. We want to know workout regimen.
Oh,
Yes.
Well, actually, I'm coming out with the Coco weight and the DVDs. And it's not like what everybody does. I don't count calories. I eat as much as I want. I don't go to the gym as much as I like to. But what I do is when I do go to the gym, it's hard. It's not like, oh, let's just kind of get on a weight and push up a little here. It's like, I'm there, it's down, it's serious. And it's all about lifting weights.
Oh, I was just about to ask you, is it cardio or weight training? What is it?
More weight training.
More weight training.
Because actually, weight muscles work faster than cardio. So you gotta have to do the combination. But don't stress out not eating though, because that slows the metabolism down, which makes you have like a bad physique. But look at the girls, I don't even know why.
She was telling us about her workout DVD.
Yeah, Coco's doing a lot of things, I mean, bottom line, she's a fitness model. That's what she did. She won fitness championships. So she got a lot of people like wanting to know how to stay in shape. So we're gonna make a little DVD.
The Coco way.
The Coco way.
Girls that don't want to lose it all. You want to just keep the curves, but still.
How we add a little if we ain't got none.
That's
how we add some.
And you see she right in front of you. It's the truth.
Yes.
Yes, Elephant Man, what's up, man? What's up with the album? How you doing? How you bringing back some sunshine from Jamaica?
Well, they don't know sunshine at them lane, a little bit. Well, they don't know the album that come out August the 14th.
Alright.
So, you don't know, let's get physical, man.
Alright, I'm gonna give you an up and down joint because you shining right now, so you gotta get it on the right place.
Well, you got one with Swiss beats. We call Jump. Mad.
What was that one we was listening to? Oh, but when we was getting dressed. Yes, I like that one. Yeah.
Yeah, we just do the ring and 502. Swiss beat, Young Jack, Assassin, man.
Wow.
That's what's up.
Wow, I can't wait to hear that.
Man, you don't know where girl there, that's why pop and walk one, but you want to see some convertible and something and something.
I'll let me right now, I'm holding it down. RealTalk NY, backstage at the Phone Master Flex Car Show.
What do you already have in your mind?
If you go outside, the car show's outside, when you just pulled up, I'm gonna keep it funky with you. But I'm looking forward to seeing everything. I like to see what people creatively do with their cars, you know what I'm saying? And they mind me, I like to kind of keep my shit stocked like that.
Okay, I see.
Phantom outside, everything outside.
Alright. You see he's doing it very, very extra.
I mean, we doing it.
We doing it big. Yeah, so what you working on right now?
That album. Born to Lose, Built to Win, in parentheses, the Reaganero. That's how it's going.
When is that dropping?
December. Look forward to that. Me and my man Lil Wayne, I Can't Feel My Face in September. That's before that. Did it?